the bird dog, or contralateral extension. Done from the all-fours position with neutral wrists or flattened, whichever is more comfortable. Important to punch the shoulders forward so as not to sag on the shoulders. One can do single extremity hold, alternating. Thumb up is best for the arms. Switching to single leg, taking the thigh as high as possible without losing the stability of the midsection, maintaining a neutral spine. One can then advance to opposite arm and leg, held, maintaining the neutral spine,